This is how I fixed my Bosch Easy Cut grass trimmer. I've had this trimmer about 3 or 4 years, so the model may have changed over time, but this is the closest I could find on Amazon. The trimmer was spinning approximately 45 degrees before cutting out, and we couldn't work out a fix. We tried changing this bit, didn't seem to work, couldn't see any obvious clogging. So we decided to investigate a bit further. All the screws, fairly straightforward, it's quite obvious what comes out, but you need to take this head off. And the 6 screws holding the head together. And this motor part, you can just pull it out and get a closer look at what's going on. There might be a way to get this black bit off at the top, but I couldn't work out how to do it. So I just went in the gap with scissors and tweezers, and there was actually some wire in there, a lot more than shown here, because I just decided to make this video for you guys afterwards, because it had took me a lot of research to get this far. You can test it with it open, just be careful because it will spin the coil. And you can see that I'd fixed it. And then it's just a case of popping it back together the way that it came out. Make sure you don't screw into any of the cables, put them all in the right slots that they're supposed to be in. This long screw on the main head, that just needs to go in the middle. There's a hole that lines up. You do actually need an Allen key, but I improvised there. They go in quite easily, those screws. And yep, just pop the coil back in. All fits back together, fairly straightforward. And yeah, must have saved us about £50 or £60 buying a new one. All the research I did, I couldn't find instructions to get that black top off. Just remember to keep the battery off when you're playing with the mechanical side, but you can test it before you put it all back together. Make sure it's working if you're careful. If this video has saved you some time or money, please say thank you by liking or subscribing to my channel. Enjoy your day!